Let's run DeepSeek locally without giving up every secret we have to China. The first thing we need is Docker, but if you don't have it, just type Docker in Google and install it. Now we need a good interface if we want to be productive, and that's why we're using open-webui. Open up Google and type in open-webui and click on the GitHub link. Scroll down to this section and ask yourself, do I have an NVIDIA GPU? If the answer is yes, then open Docker Desktop, open your terminal, and then copy and paste this command in your terminal, and everything will be done in one line. I have an RTX 3090, so I'm going to be using this command. But if your answer is no, I'll show you what to do. Open Google and type in ollama. Click on the first link, press the download button, and choose the operating system you're using, and then click download. Open your downloads folder, click the ollama installation program, and wait for it to install. Now we have ollama installed on our computer. Ollama is used to actually send and receive messages from LLMs. Now that you have ollama ready, we can go back to the WebUI documentation, scroll down to this section, copy and paste this command, open up Docker Desktop, open your terminal, and run this command. Now that everything's installed, go to Docker Desktop and you'll see the container running. To open it, click on the port or go to localhost 3000. Now click on Get Started. Enter your name, email, and password. Everything is local, so don't worry about it being correct. Just remember the email and the password. Now create admin account. Now click OK, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
And now we have a beautiful ChatGPT-like interface. You can try to chat, but you might notice that in the upper left corner, the model is missing. We have to download DeepSeek R1 first. To do that, we have to press the sidebar icon, go to our profile, tap Settings, go to Admin Settings, then Models, and now we can click on this little download icon. And now we have to enter the model name. But to know the model name, we can click on the link below that's labeled click here, which will lead us to ollama. We can click on DeepSeek R1, choose the model we want. I'll choose 32 billion, and then copy its name. Now we will go back and just paste the name inside of the input and click download. Now once it's done, we'll see this green pop-up, and now we can use the model. Let's exit out of this, click new chat. We already have DeepSeek selected, and now we can actually write the prompt. So let's ask it something about color theory. The first time you try this, there's going to be a cold boot where the model has to load inside the VRAM, and after that it's going to be doing some thinking. Now thinking takes some time, but the output is really fast. So now let's ask it a follow-up. If I'm a web developer, what is the most important thing to know from this? If you want this to go faster, just download a model with less parameters. So for example, 7 billion version of this model. And that's how you use DeepSeek or any other LLM locally. If you don't want to use this anymore, just delete the container, the images, the volumes, and then ollama if you installed it.